A day in the life as a marketing student. Hi guys, this is Shannon, an online seller, pajitera, and now a first-year marketing management student. So for today's video ay meron na naman tayong photoshoot vlog, but this time it is kinda different and it is not the usual pageant or photoshoot vlog na pinupost ko. Kasi naman ang event na to is advocacy centered, so it is very important and meaningful in our organization. Ayan, this is Ate Angge and this is Nino, my partner in this event. At ayan, may padance pa siya dyan. So, bakit nga ba may photoshoot ngayon? So, this event ay tinatawag na AAG or ABBS Ambassadors of Goodwill. It is one of the main events of ABBS during Slugfest. Ang Slugfest pala ng ABBS is like a mini intrams. So, only in our organization. And alam naman natin na during intrams, meron tayong mga pa-sports events. So, dito, meron ding mga sports event and meron ding laro ng lahi. At sa second day ng hapon, gaganapin ang AAG. So, it is a great platform where we can speak for our advocacies. Kasi, di ba, sa pageant, we are just speaking for around 1 minute and sometimes, hindi naman puro advocacy yung tinatanong. So, for me, no, as a pagetera, it is really a big opportunity for me where I could speak more about my advocacy. Of course, not just to speak, but to act with it. So, this time, ay by partner na yung pag-shoot namin. Since kami yung early bird dito, kami yung nauna sa pag-picture. Dito nga ay nahihirapan kami kung anong pose yung gagawin namin. At dahil nga kailangan pa ng picture or shoot na nakabay team kami, ay nagstay pa ako to wait for another pair in our team. Gets ba? Kahit ako naguluhan doon na. So this Slugfest ay mayroong 3 teams, which are the Team Manasa, Team Vasuki, and Team Kalia. And ang team ko naman ay Team Manasa. At sa kada team, mayroong 2 pairs. So, ang sumunod na nga sa shoot ay ang Team Kalia. And sa pagkakaalala ko, this is Josh, this is Colina, and this is Atika. And of course, after their solo pictures ay by pair na. At dito nga ay nagpa-retake kami ni Nino ng aming creative shot.
Next.
At sa wakas ay nandito na tong dalawa na to, sila ang isa pang pair ng Team Manasa. Si Nigel and Enzo ng Legal Management.
Magulo lang kayo manasa. Medyo nagtataunas. Oh my God, Lani!
At dito tapos na yung shoot ng team namin, pero buti na lang ay hindi pa ako nakakaalis. Kasi si Ate Glyza from Team Vasuki ay walang dalang white shirt and hindi daw siya informed. So buti na lang ay hindi pa ako nakakaalis.
Ang ganda ko dyan.
Ayan, these are the participants naman from Team Vasuki. At since ay nandito pa ang lahat, ay nakapag-group picture pa kami. Kaya naman, abangan ninyo ang ABBS Ambassadors of Goodwill 2025 sa December 17, 4 p.m. at Alingaw Multipurpose Hall.
See you on December 17. 5 days left.
Yan lang for today's video. Bye-bye!